Hi, I'm Chef Matt. This is Chef Michael from Abercrombie. Welcome to the USU kitchen. We miss you guys. We're going to show you a few tips and tricks of some beautiful dishes from Abercrombie. Hi everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Chef Michael, what are you going to cook for us today?
We're doing fried rice. So it's a really good way to use up any excess rice you have. So whenever I cook rice, I usually end up with too much, and it's a nice way to use it up. So for fried rice, it's best to have day-old rice. It's been in the fridge, so it kind of dries out a bit, makes it easy to stir fry. So fried rice, you can put whatever you want in it, but this is a really basic one that I like to do. I've got the rice, I've got some shallots that are chopped up like that into rounds. I've got Chinese sausage. If you don't have Chinese sausage, you can use bacon or any protein really. Carrot, it's been diced up, corn kernels, peas, and just an egg. And to season, I've got a few things. So I've got salt, sugar, pepper, and some stock powder. So this one is chicken stock powder. So to make it really simple, so that you don't have to mess around too much adding ingredients, this is how I do it. Put everything into the same bowl. And then to season, I'll use about maybe about a third of a teaspoon of salt, same amount of sugar, same amount of stock powder. Stock powder just gives it a bit more of a savoury flavour, and just a little bit of pepper. And then I'll give it a good mix. If your rice is feeling a little bit sticky, you can always add a little bit of oil here just to loosen it up, but this one's okay. Don't need to mix too much because we're going to now throw it into the fry pan. So, our fry pan on, let that heat up a touch, we'll add some oil. So a good thing with the non-stick fry pan, so the same non-stick fry pan I use for everything, makes it really easy to cook fried rice because the rice won't stick to the surface. So every time I try to cook fried rice in a stainless steel fry pan, I find that unless you get it perfect with the right amount of heat and nice coating of oil, the rice will just stick to it and it makes it really frustrating. But with a non-stick fry pan, you don't have that problem. Now if you're using a protein like chicken or a raw protein, I would actually cook that first and then add all these ingredients to it. But this Chinese sausage, it just needs to heat through and it'll cook while it's in the pan.
The Chinese sausage, if you're looking for it in the supermarkets, it's actually in the Asian section, and it's a dry good. It's been cryovac, so it's not in the fridge or freezer. You can just pick it up anywhere.
Okay, now it's smoking off. Good.
So just add all the ingredients, and pretty much you just want to heat. So by the time the rice heats up, all the other ingredients will cook through. So you don't have to move it too much initially, just let it spread it out on the pan, let it heat up. What I like is I like a little bit of browning on the ingredients. It kind of replicates the wok with the that char that you can get from a wok. As you start to move around, just try to gently break up the clumps of rice. So one way I test to see if the rice is hot is I just put a finger in it. If it's too hot, then it burns, then it's hot. Okay, so when that's pretty much done, I'll make a little well in the middle, and that is where I crack my egg. So up to you, you can add a little bit more oil, just to the center. And then what I do is I just cook the egg in the center like that. And then when it starts to set, like that, mix it all together. Taste a little bit to see if I need any more seasoning. Personal preference, up to you, but I probably want that to be a bit, want a bit saltier. Can't taste too much sugar, so I'll add a little bit more of that as well. So a lot of Asian cooking is balancing out your flavors of salty and sweet and sour. Obviously there's no sour here, but here you find that balance of sweet and salty. And if you find it lacks any like depth of flavor, I got the stock powder is good for it. It's kind of like a really quick way to add like a savory flavor.
And that gives it that, you know what I mean? Kind of,
Yeah, it's like that umami flavor that, you know, a lot of places will use MSG for. I have no problem with MSG, but I just don't use it here.
and that's it. So if you didn't want to add salt, you could always add soy sauce to
Yeah, like you can have soy sauce to for the saltiness, but I like to keep that changes the colour of it. It makes it a little bit darker, but I just like to keep the rice as white as possible. Just so the other ingredients. Alright. There we go. So, it's a really basic fried rice. And fried rice is very versatile. You can add whatever you want to it. You can always flavour it with different things. Like sometimes people use curry pastes and stuff like that at the beginning to give it more flavour, chili jams. It's up to you. Yeah, there you go. It's fried rice.